Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mira and Rio English.
Hey friends, how are you today? Feeling ready to train your brain?
Because today we're talking about something very special, something that can completely change how you learn English.
Today's topic is how to train your brain to think in English. Oh, that sounds like a brain gym. Are we going to lift some English weights?
Exactly. We'll show you 3 powerful tips to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English naturally.
This is how native speakers do it, and you can too.
But first, if you want to keep improving with us,
Don't forget to hit that like button.
and subscribe. Ready? Let's train our brains together.
Let's go.
So, Rio, when you speak English, what happens inside your head?
I think in my language first, then I translate, then I speak.
That's what most learners do, and that's okay at first. But it's slow, right?
Very slow. My brain feels like it's buffering. Please wait. Translating.
Exactly. Your brain is doing double work, your native language and English.
So, if we want to speak fast, we must cut the translation.
Right. Our big goal is to think in English directly.
But how can we do that, Mira?
It's easier than you think. We'll train your brain step by step, just like you train your muscles.
So, no need for a dictionary every 5 seconds?
No, you'll create English thoughts naturally.
But wait, what if I don't know many words?
That's okay. We start small. Even one word or one sentence is enough.
One sentence at a time. That sounds possible.
That's the secret. Small, simple steps every day.
Step by step. My brain learns English like a habit.
Exactly. And that's what we'll start with in tip number 1.
All right, tip number 1. What is it?
Think in small English sentences.
Small. Like, how small?
Not just one word like pen, but a short, real sentence.
Like, this is my pen.
Perfect! Or my pen is blue.
Okay, easy so far.
Yes, that's the goal. Start easy because your brain learns by patterns, not big grammar rules.
So, small sentences equal pattern training.
Exactly. Try this. When you wake up in the morning, don't say pen or bed.
I say, this is my bed. I am awake.
Beautiful. Say it in your head or out loud.
So, my morning could be like, I open the window. The air is fresh. I feel good.
Perfect. That's real English practice. No textbook needed.
So I can do this anywhere?
Yes, on the bus, in the shower, walking to work.
So I'm thinking, the bus is slow. I see a red car. A man is running.
Exactly. When you describe what you see, your brain connects English directly to the world, not your native language.
Oh, so I connect car to the image of a car, not to a translation.
That's it. You're rewiring your brain.
My English brain is growing muscles.
That's right. Just remember, small sentences all day, every day.
I am learning. I feel good. My brain is training.
See? You're already doing it.
Okay, Mira, I love this one. What's next?
Next, we'll feed your brain English food.
English food?
You'll see in tip number 2.
Okay, Mira, you said English food. I'm curious. What do you mean by that?
I mean input, English input.
Input? Like computer input?
Kind of. Input means everything you hear and see in English. It's what goes into your brain.
Ah, okay. Input is English in, right?
Exactly. When you listen to English or read simple sentences, your brain gets English food. It starts to learn the patterns, the rhythm, the melody of English.
The melody of English. I like that.
It's true. English has its own music, and when you listen a lot, your brain starts to sing along.
So I can just listen to songs and become smarter?
Kind of. But be smart about what you choose. Listen to easy English content, podcasts, short videos, songs with simple lyrics.
I like cooking videos. Can I watch those in English?
Perfect idea. When you hear, I cut the tomato, and see someone actually cutting, your brain connects sound, action, and meaning.
Okay, so I learn like a child by watching, listening, and enjoying.
Exactly. That's the best way.
What about music?
Yes, pop songs are great, especially ones that repeat simple phrases like, I love you, baby.
Okay, easy to remember.
The point is, don't just study English, live with it. Listen while cooking, driving, or before bed.
Make English a part of your daily background.
Yes, when your brain hears English every day, it becomes familiar. And familiar means comfortable.
So, more input equals more comfort equals more confidence.
Exactly. That's the formula.
Okay, Mira, so we eat English food every day, but when do we speak?
Oh, right now. Get ready for tip number 3.
Okay, Mira, now it's time to speak. But what if I'm alone?
That's perfect. You don't need anyone else to start speaking.
Wait, I can practice alone?
Absolutely. You can talk to yourself in English.
People would think I'm crazy.
Only if you do it loudly in the supermarket. But seriously, speaking to yourself is powerful training.
Okay, but what should I say?
Start by describing what you see. For example, look around your room and say, this is my desk. The desk is brown. I have a lamp.
All right, let me try. This is my microphone. My microphone is black. My coffee smells good.
Excellent. You're connecting English directly to real things.
Oh, so I'm not translating anymore. I see it, I say it.
Yes, that's the key. You're training your brain to think in English automatically.
So it's like muscle memory. The more I speak, the faster it becomes.
Exactly. You can also talk about your actions. I'm cooking dinner. I'm washing dishes. I'm walking outside.
That's easy and fun.
Yes, because you're using English to describe your real life.
My English brain is getting a full workout today.
It is. And you can end your day by reviewing it out loud. Today, I worked hard. I ate pizza. I felt happy.
Like a mini daily diary.
Exactly. The more you speak, the stronger your English brain becomes.
So I don't need a partner to start.
No, you are your first partner. But later, you'll feel more confident talking to others.
I like that. Alone first, then with friends.
Step by step, that's how real fluency grows.
Okay, Mira, I'm ready to keep training. What's next?
Next, we'll find out why this method works, the science behind your English brain.
Mira, why does this method work so well? It feels simple but powerful.
Great question, Rio. It's because your brain is like a muscle. It grows with repetition and emotion.
Repetition and emotion. Ah,
When you think or speak English every day, even just for a few minutes, your brain builds new neural pathways.
neural pathways like new roads in my brain?
Exactly. Every time you say, I am cooking, I am walking, you're paving a road for English thoughts.
So the more I repeat, the smoother the road becomes.
Yes, at first, the road is rough, but after 100 times, It's a highway.
A fast English highway.
That's right. And there's one more secret. Emotion.
Emotion.
When you enjoy what you listen to or talk about, your brain remembers faster.
Ah, so that's why fun learning works better.
Exactly. Learning English with joy releases dopamine, the happy chemical.
Dopamine helps my English? Nice.
Yes. So when you laugh, smile, sing, or talk with emotion, your memory becomes stronger.
So the key is not just study hard, but study happy.
Perfectly said, Rio. That's the science behind training your brain.
Okay, I'm convinced. I want to try it every day.
Great, because next we'll build your daily training plan. Let's create your 7-day Train Your Brain challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges. What do we do?
Very simple. Every day, 3 small steps. Think, listen, speak.
Think, listen, speak. Okay.
Step 1. Think in English sentences. When you wake up, say in your mind, I am awake. The sun is bright. I feel good.
Easy start.
Step 2. Listen for 10 minutes. Choose an easy podcast, a short English video, or your favorite song.
Like this podcast, Mira Rio English.
Exactly. That's your daily English food.
And step 3?
Step 3. Speak to yourself. Describe your world. I am cooking. The coffee is hot. I'm happy.
That's the output part.
Yes. Think, listen, speak. Repeat every day for 7 days.
Like a workout plan for the brain.
Exactly. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency.
Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Yes, if you do it for 1 week, you'll feel the change.
Challenge accepted.
Perfect. And don't forget to tell us in the comments how it goes.
Day 1. My English brain is awake.
That's the spirit.
Mira, what if I make mistakes during this challenge?
That's totally okay, Rio. Mistakes mean your brain is learning.
So mistakes are good?
Very good. When you say something wrong, your brain gets feedback and grows stronger.
So I should be brave, not perfect.
Exactly. Be kind to your brain. Talk to it like a friend. It's okay. We're learning.
I like that.
Remember, learning a language is not a race. It's a journey. Small steps every day.
And fun steps, because if it's not fun, I'll stop.
You're right. Fun keeps you going. Choose content you love. Songs, travel, cooking, anything.
I'll mix English with my hobbies.
That's perfect. Make English your daily friend, not your homework.
That's beautiful, Mira. Okay, I'm ready to live in English.
That's the spirit. Let's review today's tips.
Tip 1. Think in small English sentences.
Tip 2. Get English input every day. Listen and watch things you love.
Tip 3. Speak to yourself. Describe your world out loud.
Remember, small steps every day. That's how you train your brain.
Be patient, be kind, and keep it fun.
And if today's episode helped you,
Please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
and share this video with your friends who want to speak English naturally.
The more brains we train, the better.
True.
And now your question for today.
What do you do to train your brain in English?
Tell us in the comments below. We'll feature your best ideas in our next video.
Thank you for watching Mira and Rio English.
See you next time.
Bye.